Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to create Tonkeeper Ton Wallet account. So if you also want to create Tonkeeper Ton Wallet account, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open Tonkeeper Ton Wallet application. Wait for it to load. You can see over here Tonkeeper is opened. You'll be able to see two options over here, create new wallet and import existing wallet. If you already have an account, you can tap on the option import existing wallet. But if you want to create the account, simply tap on the option create new wallet. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll have to create new passcode. Simply enter the passcode. Now you'll have to re-enter your passcode. Now you can see over here you'll be led to this kind of interface. You can enable notifications over here, or you can also do it later. Simply tap on the later option that you can see at the top right corner. Now you can see over here your account is created. So that is how you create Tonkeeper Ton Wallet account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.